This is the situation.
Ma'am, it's quite fine now.
Okay, now, so what is the time required? Time given to you in this question? Fast.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम खुद को मैम स्पॉटलाइट कर लो मैम क्योंकि आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो ना.
Okay. Just a second. Done. Fine. Okay. What is the time now? Tell me your time after so many conversation. What is the time now? What is time required? Yeah. After. Not able to understand. Not audible. Time is what?
Ma'am, time is 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Thank you. So it is 4 meters per second. Now I want to look at Vy. Is Uy plus Aot. What is Uy? Fast.
5
5 plus what is Ay?
1
1
times 2. So 5, 6, 7 meters per second. I want to find out V vector, which is Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. What is Vx? Is 4 I cap. Vy 7 j cap. This is the vector. But I need to calculate what? What is need to be calculated?
magnitude.
Magnitude of the speed. Magnitude of the velocity, which is speed. Now who will tell me? How can I calculate it? Jaldi.
4 square plus 7.
4 square plus 7 square.
Now this is matching with your answer given to you or not?
under root 16 plus 49.
तो कितना हो जाएगा 16 plus 49?
रूट 65
So 65 is given to you there or not? In that question itself, I just mentioned some answers. Now is it fine? At least say yes or no. You have that question bank also, that 5 question also in your WhatsApp group. You can check it out. This is the answer now, and now you can proceed further. Now can I trust that all these parts are clear to you? Picture clear that what we have to do in all these type of questions. Tell me fast.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
At least be participative ना. I'm not like that कि मुझे कुछ भी बोलना है, टाइम पास करना है. आपके लिए तो बोल रही हूँ. आपको नहीं पढ़ना तो आप क्लास रोक जा सकते हो. मैं कोई फोर्स नहीं करा हुआ. मैं आपके पेरेंट्स को कौन है कि 2-3 दिन तक. लेकिन मेरा दिमाग नहीं खराब करेंगे. आप फटाफट से बोलेंगे जो मैं पूछ रही हूँ. Now thing is that we have finished with our syllabus, which is picture. Now I hope so it's clear to everyone. We have finished with our syllabus of periodic, but still because you having finished exam on 18th, we have time. I will take an extra class between before 18. I will take an extra class as well to just revise all this stuff. Today we have quiz also. So now I am going to start projectile motion. But see, बेटा अब आप छोटे बच्चे नहीं हैं ना कि मैं अगर मेरा टॉपिक खत्म हो गया मेरे पास 2-3 दिन है तो बैठ के मैं रिवीजन कराती रहूंगी. आपका सिलेबस पता है इट्स एंडलेस. तो मुझे projectile motion स्टार्ट कराना ही कराना है. पहले सुनो मेरी बात. How is your paper now? Firstly मुझे बताना आपको कि in your paper it's actually 25 marks paper. Listen to me carefully. कितने मार्क का पेपर है वो? जल्दी बताओ. 25 मार्क का पेपर है. And in that paper क्या क्या चीजें होंगी? फर्स्टली आपके एमसीक्यूज होंगे जो आपके सिंपल एमसीक्यूज है. आपको क्वेश्चन का रखा होगा 4 ऑप्शंस है. एमसीक्यूज होंगे. देन यू आर हैविंग सम रीजनिंग असर्शन क्वेश्चंस. हैव यू जस्ट गॉन थ्रू एनी रीजनिंग असर्शन क्वेश्चन? मैं आपको फोटो क्लिक करके भेजी थी आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे.
Yes, ma'am.
स्टेटमेंट 1 2 ABCD 4 ऑप्शन होते हैं. बेटा ऐसे होगा आपको जो डिटेल दे रखी होगी क्वेश्चन में और आपको वहां पर 4 आपके स्टेटमेंट 1 स्टेटमेंट 2 होगा. देयर असर्शन और रीजनिंग लिखा होगा एंड यू हैव टू चूज. और मैंने आज जो क्विज है मैंने बोला है बच्चे को कि उसमें रीजनिंग असर्शन भी ऐड करेंगे ताकि आप थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाए. फिर लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज अवर केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज दैट लास्ट थिंग? केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. बेटा उसमें क्या होगा आपको ये इमेजिन करो. मैंने क्या चैप्टर मोशन प्लेन उठाया. मैंने मोशन प्लेन की थोड़ी सी थ्योरी उठा ली. बुक से थोड़ी सी मैं थ्योरी उठा ली. जैसे वहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है कि आपका जो इंस्टेंट वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है और आपका एवरेज वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है. थोड़ी सी थ्योरी उठा ली और उस चैप्टर के टॉपिक के अंदर मतलब उस चैप्टर के अंदर जो भी टॉपिक्स आते हैं मैंने उनको 4 क्वेश्चन दे दिए. समझ आया मैंने क्या किया? एमसीक्यू तो फिर भी बेटा एमसीक्यू ही है ना. बेटा एमसीक्यू ही है. बट उससे पहले मैंने क्या किया आपको उस चैप्टर का थोड़ा सा डिटेल दे दिया. थोड़ा हिंट दे दिया कि चैप्टर में ये होता है. इसका फॉर्मूला ऐसा होता है. हल्का सा सबके फॉर्मूलेस नहीं मेंशन होंगे. सपोज किसी केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में आपको मैं हल्का सा पैराग्राफ दे दिया और उसके अंदर मैंने आपको 5 क्वेश्चन दिए. कितने क्वेश्चन दिए? 5 क्वेश्चन है, वो 5 MCQs है, and out of 5 you have to attempt only 4. Out of 5 you have to attempt only 4. याद रहेगा 4, याद रहेगा. मैंने ऊपर मेंशन भी किया होगा, लेकिन आप अपना फ्लो में होते हैं, टाइम लिमिट कम होती है, तो आप उसे रीड नहीं कर पाते. तो व्हाई टू वेस्ट टाइम जब मुझे 4 ही करने हैं, तो 5 के तो मार्क नहीं होंगे ना, 4 के मार्क होंगे. तो जल्दी से बता दो फटाफट से, पेपर में कितने टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं? सारे MCQs ही है, बट MCQ डिफरेंट फैशन के. कैसे हैं? फर्स्ट
assertion reason and case
assertion and then
question.
Case.
Ma'am,
Yes.
case also. Ma'am,
Sorry?
case-based critical problem solving.
सॉरी दोबारा बोल दीजिए.
There is case-based also.
केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन बेटा, इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. यू हैव गिवन अ सिंपल, मतलब आपको किसी भी चैप्टर का थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, थोड़ा सा डिटेल दे रखा है कि इस चैप्टर में ये होता है, ये होता है, ये होता है, और थोड़ा सा टॉपिक का डिटेल दे रखा है, और उस टॉपिक के ऊपर ही आपको 4 क्वेश्चन बनाए हुए हैं. 5 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. यस बच्चा.
मैम जो MCQ क्वेश्चंस होंगे उसमें हमें सॉल्यूशन भी लिखना होगा या सिर्फ आंसर लिखना होगा?
हाँ, यस बेटा. अब ये क्वेश्चन क्या है? ये क्वेश्चन ये है कि बेटा जो आपका पेपर जाएगा वो आपको सब्जेक्टिव पेपर की तरह एक किसी शीट से, बेटा जैसे नॉर्मली एग्जाम नहीं होते, आपको PDF बना के उसे अपलोड करना होगा. इट मींस आप ऐसा नहीं बेटा, गूगल फॉर्म नहीं मिलने वाला आपको कि आप उसमें 1 2 3 4 क्लिक करोगे. समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? MCQ बेस्ड पेपर है, but you need to solve it completely on your sheet and you need to upload your sheet. That sheet should be marked, will be marked actually. So no cheating, sorry to say. You have to do the entire calculation stuff. आपने कहा A पार्ट क्यों है, तो आपको आंसर लिखना है. लेकिन ये इतना लंबा नहीं होगा because time limit is also there. तो you can just shorten your जो कैलकुलेशन शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो रिक्वायर्ड है बेटा वो तो रिक्वायर्ड ही है ना. आप डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं लिखेंगे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
1 मार्कर जितना लिखना है मतलब.
बेटा अगर कैलकुलेशन में न्यूमेरिकल है और न्यूमेरिकल में तुम्हें A क्रॉस B निकालना ही है, इट मींस आपको वो A क्रॉस B जब रफ में निकालोगे तो मुझे क्या पता आपने क्या निकाला है, तो वो A क्रॉस B तो आपको यहाँ निकालना ही पड़ेगा ना बच्चा. अगर रीजनिंग इज देयर सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट योर आंसर इन 1 लाइन, बट इफ यू नीड टू सॉल्व समथिंग तो आप रफ में भी तो करोगे ना. मुझे पता है ना, आई नो दैट कि यू कांट सॉल्व इट इन हवा, चलो A क्रॉस B करते हैं हवा में लाइक दैट, ऐसा नहीं होगा ना. यू नीड टू मेक अ टेबल ना फॉर A क्रॉस B, तो आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा A क्रॉस B का. इज इट फाइन?
ओके मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I hope I'm crystal clear to everyone. And yes,
Ma'am, do we get extra time for uploading the answer sheet?
you will get 5 minutes maximum to upload that answer sheet. ठीक है?
And what will be the duration of the exam?
I think 45 minutes.
It's 40 minutes
45,
and 5.
45 minutes are there to complete your entire paper. And maximum कुछ बच्चे पहले ही कर लेते हैं, अपलोड कर देते हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे करते हैं. कुछ होता है जिनको थोड़ा सा स्पीड कम होता है. आई एम नॉट एनीथिंग, मैं कोई कंप्लेन नहीं कर रही हूँ. यू विल गेट मैक्सिमम 5 मार्क्स टू अपलोड द पेपर मैक्सिमम. ठीक है? एनी मोर डाउट?
Ma'am, please repeat the topic which is coming in a PT1.
See what we have done till the date is coming in examination. जो मैं आज कराऊंगी वो एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा. Now clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video just froze.
The topic,
My
ma'am.
dear boss. Sorry?
PT1.
Ma'am, your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, just a second. Is my board visible or not? Or should I share the screen again?
It's visible.
Ma'am, please एक बार मैम टॉपिक नोट डाउन कर दीजिए मैम, जो PT1 में आ रहा है.
छोटे बच्चे नहीं आ रहे तो चैप्टर नंबर 1 नहीं आ रहा. चैप्टर नंबर 2 units and dimension. In this chapter we have done errors and dimension. Yes or no?
Yes,
Chapter
ma'am.
number
Yes,
three. Chapter number 3 complete. Whatever is there in the chapter, total full chapter. Chapter number 4 till which topic? Or excluding,
Vector product.
excluding projectile and uniform circular motion. Whatever you find in your book, you have to do it. Excluding these two topics, everything is coming. Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Paper pattern clear. And today also we have some quizzes. And on Saturday also we have some quizzes. On Monday also we have some quizzes. So please be there on the quiz time because they are for your revision purpose. And before your examination also, maybe on 17th I will take extra class. Maybe at 12 exam के बाद आपका psychology का paper है. Those who are not having psychology, वो तो है because लेकिन some students have that psycho as well. So I will take the revision class after the psychology period. Okay, fine. इतना कर सकती हूँ, आपके लिए maximum revision करा चुकी हूँ. Now, can I start with the topic? With your permission?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं इतना रिवीजन तो तुम्हें करना चाहिए जो मैं तुम्हें करा चुकी हूँ. अब चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Next topic and you have to be.
Ma'am, board is not visible.
Okay, I am sharing the screen. I don't know why it is happening.
Ma'am, it is visible.
अरे कोई बात नहीं, मैं अपना मेरे को तो एक चीज आता है, बच्चे मुझे बोलते हैं कि मैम नहीं कर दो, मैंने कर दिया. Now is it completely visible? Done. Okay. So now what is projectile motion? Anyone from your side? Some students have done it also. What is the meaning of projectile motion? Anyone? Yeah, what is the meaning of projectile motion?
Ma'am, motion in a parabola.
Motion in a parabola. Okay.
Ma'am, object is thrown obliquely.
Obliquely. Oh, what's the meaning of this
Yes,
obliquely?
ma'am.
What's the meaning of this obliquely?
Slant.
Slant. It means when you have thrown an object in any different random angle, obliquely, slanting. Na? Okay, now. So it means you know something about projectile motion. As simple as that, beta. आपने imagine जैसे let's suppose आप क्लास में बैठे हैं मेरे सामने and you are doing some mischievous thing. तुम्हें हाथ में चौक है, मैं क्या करूँगी?
Throw it
Should I
at
do?
us.
हाँ जी.
Throw it at us.
Yeah. So it means that when the chalk is in my hand, I just thrown it with some velocity u. What is u? That initial velocity. I thrown it with some velocity u. Maybe it is making some angle with the horizontal. See, this is my horizontal. Maybe it is making some angle with the horizontal. Or maybe imagine if I am not making any angle with the horizontal, that imagine if I'm having a table and the ball is here, the chalk is here, and I want to play with the chalk, but I flick करती हूँ ना इसको हल्का सा. It means now when I'm throwing that object, the object is moving horizontally. Now it is falling down because of the gravity. So what is projectile actually? Whenever you throw an object with some the motion of that object is known as projectile motion. What is projectile motion?
Ma'am,
What is projectile motion? When you throws an object with some initial velocity and
allowed to move under the influence of gravity.
बेटा जब घर में छोटा बच्चा होता है सब क्या करते थोड़ा फेंकते हैं ना उसको. अरे बाबा वो कुछ होता है, उसे नहीं पता वो क्या है, वो प्रोजेक्टाइल है. इसको तुमने इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से फेंका. So when you are throwing an object, नहीं खेला कभी खेला छोटे बच्चों के साथ, नहीं परेशान किया उनको तुमने आज तक कभी नहीं किया होगा, तुम बहुत भूले होंगे, मासूम होंगे. बेटा imagine if I'm having a child in my hand और उसको वो फेंक रही हूँ. So this kind of projectile is known as kind of as well or what?
Ma'am,
So right now so I'm only speaking. So it doesn't matter now my video is turned off or on. I'm only speaking. So now is it fine? Now thing is that I'm only talking about if I'm having an object in my hand, I'm throwing it with some velocity u. So it can be with any random angle. It can be horizontally also. It can be vertically also. It can be making some angles with the horizontal as well. So they are
Ma'am, I guess somebody's muting you because you're just muted.
वेट. अच्छा
Ma'am.
ओके मैंने आज वो नहीं बनाया ना, तो गेम खेल रहे हैं मेरे साथ. एक
Ma'am.
Ma'am, again.
I understand. Somebody is actually muting me again and again. बेटा किसी को दुख है ना अपने जीवन में, दुखियारा बच्चा है. Now what can I do for that? No issue. I am just making everyone attendee. Give me a.
Ma'am, you're muted again.
Ma'am, again.
Okay, बेटा just give me a second. I am making everyone attendee. Wait a minute.
देखना मेरे को कोई हटा रहा है.
Wait, beta. Maybe I just forgot to just make everyone attendee this time. No issues. It will take only 1 minute for me. Just help me out. Acha, Bhavya, just do me a favor. Just make everyone attendee from bottom. Can you do it, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fast. कुछ दुखियारे बच्चे हैं, जीवन में इतना दुख है, क्या करें. दूसरों को लगता है कि चुप कराने से उनका दुख कम हो जाएगा. कभी-कभी ना उन पे गुस्सा करने की वजह उनसे ना क्या होना चाहिए, सहानुभूति होनी चाहिए उन बच्चों के साथ.
Ma'am, you made me attendee.
अच्छा, ओके, नो इशू भव्या. आई एम मेकिंग यू प्रेजेंटर नाउ. चलो फटाफट से कर दे बच्चा. मतलब कितने.
मैम देखना, मैम मेरे को बहुत हटा दिया. मैम
क्या हुआ?
मेरे को तो मैम 5-3 बार हटा दिया गया. मैम मेरे को तो
बेटा कोई बात नहीं. बेटा उस बच्चे का तो सोच, उस बच्चा कितना जिंदगी में परेशान है. उस पर दया कर बच्चा. कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है कभी-कभी. दुख भरा हुआ है.
Ma'am, someone is making me attendee again and again.
नो बेटा, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट ना, सब कुछ हो जाएगा अभी. बस 1 मिनट रुक जा. भव्या के साथ कोई बात नहीं बेटा. आप जो मैं सबको अटेंड.
Ma'am, you're muted.
कर ना ये इसका उसका ना घर में घुस के मारूंगा मैं, जो भी मेरे को हटा रहा है. अब मैं
see everyone attendee right now or not?
Gautam Bhakkar is not an attendee.
So गौतम कर रहा था क्या सब चीजें?
Gautam Kumar.
Now everyone is attendee now.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. Now let's begin the class because they have wasted our so much of precious time.
Ma'am, your video is paused. हम आप स्पॉटलाइट वाला ही कर लो मैम, उसमें पॉज तो नहीं होती एटलीस्ट.
Yes, ma'am. Screen share में freeze हो रही है बार-बार.
Okay. Now is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
मुझे लगा था कि ए सेक्शन ना बहुत शरीफ है. बी ने तो आज मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया. होता बी ने भी किया. आई डोंट नो. मैं किसी पे ऐसा इल्जाम नहीं लगा सकती, लेकिन कोई बात. चल मुझे टेल क्वेश्चन. So imagine, now look at the board carefully and tell me what is going on in the situation. Imagine this is my plane and this is here from the origin I throw an object.
Video is not visible.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Now
No, it's visible.
Not visible.
still not visible.
I'm rejoining, maybe that will fix it.
visible.
Ma'am, video on
visible. Ma'am, it is visible.
Just restart your video again, beta.
मैम उसके बाद स्पॉटलाइट भी कर लेना.
Ma'am कर चुके हैं spotlight.
Yes, ma'am.
वो रखा देगा तो
मैं ये लास्ट टाइम चेंज कर रही हूँ. अगर अब चेंज नहीं हुआ तो आप सब सुनना मुझे, ठीक है?
मैम इसमें आपकी दोबारा से पॉज हो जाएगी मैम, स्पॉटलाइट में कर रही हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं,
Yes.
थोड़ी देर बाद में कर देंगे. आप शांति से अभी सुनो, चैप्टर खत्म करना है. डायल मोशन, ठीक है? Now, if I'm throwing an object, let's suppose at some angle, and the object will go like this, and it fall under the effect of gravity. Yes or no? This will be a scene. If I'm throwing an object like this with some initial velocity u. Now imagine if the object is going from here to here, and if somebody asks me to mark the direction of velocity in this curve, if somebody asks me to mark the direction of velocity in this curve, now how can I mark the direction of velocity? Anyone from your side? How can I mark the direction of velocity? By drawing a
Tangent to the curve.
tangent to the curve. It means if the object is moving like this, I can just draw tangent to each and every position to find out that what is the direction of velocity at each and every point. So tangents help us to find out, to just draw, then just help us to make the direction of, give the direction of velocity. Now imagine this is a u. U is what? Initial velocity with which the projectile is thrown. Now, this is theta with the horizontal. Okay, now who will tell me where is the gravity acting at this point? Where is the gravity acting at this point?
Downward.
Anyone?
Downward.
This is the gravity acting at this point. Okay, fine. Now, I told you 1,000 times that whenever you are having a vector at some angle, what you need to do?
Component resolve the vectors.
Resolve the
Component.
component. So now, if this is u, so it will be what? U parallel component. This will be what? U perpendicular component. Yes or no? What is the formula of
Yes.
U parallel component? Who will tell me what is the formula of U parallel
U
component?
cos theta.
U cos
U
theta.
Cos theta.
And what is the formula of U perpendicular component?
U sin
U
theta.
sin theta.
U sin theta. Now we know that when an object is moving in a horizontal direction, then all the horizontal components are helping the body to move in a horizontal direction. Now just tell me, if the object is, let's suppose, at this point, what that means, if the object reaches this point, it means it is traveling some horizontal distance also and some vertical distance also. Yes or no? This is the horizontal distance and this is the vertical distance. Yes or no? If
Yes,
the
ma'am.
projectile is thrown, yes, beta.
Ma'am, the board is not visible.
बेटा आप अगर विजिबल नहीं है ना तो इसको ऐसे ही देखो, अपनी वीडियो को ऑन करके. ऐसा क्यों है कि आधे बच्चों को विजिबल, आधे बच्चों को विजिबल नहीं है? या तो आप मेरे साथ गेम खेल रहे हैं, और ऐसे गेम खेल रहे हैं तो बहुत गलत कर रहे हैं. अपना वीडियो को रिस्टार्ट करो. क्या किसी को विजिबल नहीं है? ऐसा कुछ है?
Now the camera is turned off actually.
Visible.
Ma'am, visible.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Not visible.
Now I again restarted my video.
मैम
Ma'am, it's
उसमें
fine
प्रॉब्लम होगी ना
It's
आपकी.
visible now.
Okay, now I'm having two components. Now tell me, and the motion is actually a combination of two directions. One horizontally and other one is vertically. This motion is a combination of two directions. One horizontally, other one is vertically. Now who will tell me which of the two components is helping the object to move horizontally? Which velocity is helping the object to move horizontally?
U cos theta.
U cos
U
theta.
Cos theta. And which component is helping the object to move vertically?
Theta.
U sin
U sin theta.
Now, if I just want to know from your side, is the velocity this u will remain same at this point or it will change?
I'm changing.
We know that when I throw an object in the upward direction, what will happen? At the topmost point, velocity will become zero. It will velocity is decreasing because the acceleration is in the
Opposite direction.
opposite direction. Okay.
Downward.
Imagine downward. Imagine v is the velocity at this random point B. This is point A. This is point B. Now tell me, where is the acceleration acting? Where is the acceleration acting?
Downward.
Downward.
Downward only. Okay. Now just tell me, if I'm reaching here, what is happening to the vertical component? Is there any vertical component here at the topmost point?
Zero.
Zero. That's why only because the vertical component becomes zero, that's why only the object is not going further ahead in the vertical direction. But it is still going in forward. What that means at this point, what is happening? It is not going up, but it is still going in the forward direction, horizontally. What that
The horizontal component is
Horizontal.
zero.
the horizontal component is still here, but the vertical component become
Zero.
zero. Perfect. What will happen if the horizontal component will become 0 here? Imagine by somehow if I just make the horizontal component 0 here, what will happen to this object now? Imagine at this point, both will become 0.
It will stop moving.
It will not stop. It will move somewhere.
Fall.
Move forward and downward direction.
Fall downward.
Ma'am,
Move-
tangentially.
Yeah, no. See, because the horizontal component is not here, imagine. So there is no vertical component, there is no horizontal component. Object will not go in the upper direction, nor it will move in a forward direction. What will happen? It will only show a free fall because the gravity is still acting in the downward direction. Yes or no? Because the gravity is still acting in the downward direction. See, is it fine now? Why the object is moving here and there? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now imagine at this point I'm having some velocity v dash. Where is the gravity acting at this point?
Downwards.
Downward.
Downward. Now who will tell me when I'm going from here to here, what will be the angle between u and g? Is it decreasing, increasing, or remaining constant?
I'm increasing.
Increasing. Check it out.
Ma'am, decrease.
Decrease हो रहा है angle.
Ma'am, decrease afterward.
It is decreasing. It's clearly visible. See, what is the angle between u and g at the position
90 plus theta.
90 plus theta. What is the angle between here?
90.
90.
G
Plus
plus beta. G plus beta, between the velocity vector and the gravity. Yes or no? And what is the angle here now?
90.
90. 90. So if anybody asks you that, the angle between the velocity vector and the acceleration vector will decrease, increase, or remaining constant as the object is reaching the maximum height. Who will tell me? It will decrease. Decrease. Perfect. Clear or not? First step, first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just tell me, in which direction is the acceleration? Only along the bi-direction, na? Beta object चाहे इधर जा रहा, उधर जा रहा, beta कहीं भी जा रहा. Gravity is only acting in the downward direction. Yes or no? Like this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I want to write down about the acceleration, my u is having two components, which is ux I cap plus uy j cap. Yes or no? In this case, both components are still here. But what is
Yes.
the acceleration components? Now tell me, is the acceleration acting along the x-axis? You think that acceleration what is basically
Y-axis.
only
Y
y
j.
axis? So ax I cap plus ay j cap, but here ax I cap is 0. There is no acceleration. There is no acceleration along x-axis. What you can conclude from it? That there is no acceleration along the x-axis. What can you say about it? Ki body
Its
horizontal
component
direction
remains
accelerate.
constant.
Sorry, yes, bacha. Rohan,
Its component remains constant.
x component of what remain constant? Acceleration, not the velocity.
Velocity.
Velocity. Because the object is having acceleration only along the y direction, it means that the velocity only will change along the y direction. But since the acceleration along the x direction is 0, which means that acceleration 0 means what? The change in velocity will become 0. It means along the horizontal direction, the velocity of an object is not changing at all. Am I right or not? To change the velocity, we need some acceleration. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any acceleration along the x-axis? No, not at all. It means the velocity parallel component, horizontal component is not changing at all. So if this is u cos theta here, what is the value of u parallel here? The horizontal component. कितनी value होगी इसकी?
U cos beta.
एक काम कर चलो. If this is v, this is beta. Resolve the component of velocity vector here. इधर कितना होगा, इधर कितना होगा? भूल जाओ नीचे वाले को. इधर कितना होगा?
U cos beta.
V cos theta. What is the velocity vector here in the vertical direction?
Sin theta.
V sin theta. Is it fine or not?
Yes.
Now tell me, u cos theta and v cos beta, are they same or equal or greater or less than?
Equal.
They are equal because the velocity is not changing horizontally. Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes,
Akka,
ma'am.
Yes.
is it fine to everyone present here?
Yes,
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just tell me what will happen here if I want to mark the velocity vector here. How can I mark the velocity vector? Moving upward or downward? Velocity vector.
Downward.
Downward. You draw a tangent. This is the velocity vector. Fine. Now, if this is the velocity vector, imagine V double dash. It is making some angle. Let's suppose alpha. That's clear. Alpha. Now help me out. Which are the two components? Can I resolve the two components of this V double dash?
Ma'am, U cos alpha, U sin alpha.
V double dash
V
cos alpha and V double dash
Sin alpha.
V double dash sin alpha.
Now, from here to here, see, at this point, only the horizontal component was there. Therefore, the object is not moving in the vertical direction. But because of this horizontal component, the object just shifted towards the right. Now, at another point, I'm again having the vertical direction. अब ये direction कहाँ है? ऊपर है या नीचे है? Vertical direction. Downward. That's why the ball is going down.
Downward.
And here the ball is going up. Why the ball is going up here? Because the vertical component is in the upward direction. Now, why the ball is going down here? Because the vertical component is in the downward direction. Yes or no? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Downward direction.
But still, this value and this value are same or not? This value and this value are same or not? Because they are the horizontal component and there's no acceleration taking place horizontally. So can I say that this component, this value, this value, this value, all these values are having same?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So if this is the theory of the entire projectile motion, now we have to move on to our mathematical stuff. Okay. Now I want to find out that what is the first point on this entire projectile motion? What is the trajectory of the motion? Trajectory of motion. Anyone who can tell me the meaning of trajectory?
Path traveled.
Path travel. What is the motion of the object? Yeah, parabola. Now, how can I move on to parabola? Let's start doing this thing. And one thing you should keep in your mind, beta. One thing which should be every time keep in your mind. If anybody tells you that to find out the trajectory of the motion, चाहे वो class 11th, चाहे वो class 12th, anytime, if anybody asks you to find out the trajectory of the motion, it means they want you to establish a relationship between x and y components. What they want to establish a relationship between?
X and Y components.
X and
X and Y components. Anytime if anybody asks you to find out the trajectory of the motion, चाहे वो ये वाला क्वेश्चन हो, चाहे वो आगे जाके कोई different chapters हो, 12th का chapter हो, कहीं भी तुमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि trajectory क्या होगा, तो trajectory बनाने के लिए, समझने के लिए, only one thing which is helping us out is to find the relationship between x and y components. Okay, so x निकालना है, बेटा, can you just give me an equation of motion to give the value of x? Any equation of motion? Tell me. But x क्या है? Position traveled. So how to find out the
plus
position
half
traveled?
into 80 square.
Yeah.
Half into 80 square.
T plus half a t square. But it should be ux only. It should be
X.
ax. And we know that ax is equal to 0. And ay is equal to what? What is ay equal to? Is the acceleration due to gravity is acting along y direction or not?
Yes,
So ay is equal to what? Tell me.
9.8.
Minus G. 9.8.
Or g. But one thing is missing. Beta, see, if you just observe your figure, I've taken u. All u's as positive. Na beta, मैं सब u को positive ले रही हूँ, जो ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. And beta, both are vectors. U and g both are vectors. If I'm taking u as positive, then g will automatically become
Negative.
negative. So the two are in the opposite directions. So can I say that ay is equal to minus g? Any problem till now? Why I've taken ay is equal to minus g?
No, ma'am.
Because I've taken u as positive. अगर आप u को negative ले लोगे बेटा, इसको positive रख लेना, there is no issue in that. ठीक है? Now tell me, what is the value of x? What is the value of ux? Who will tell me? Ux.
U cos theta.
U cos theta into t. What is the value of ax now?
0.
0. So this whole term will become 0. So now I'm having one equation of x, which is u cos theta into t. What I told you next thing, what I need to do, establish a relationship between x and y. So x to ho gaya. What is y? Tell me.
Trajectory of y.
Sorry? U
u by t minus half at square.
or half a by t square. Then I put the values now. Is it fine? Everyone, this equation is clear or not?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell me what is the value of uy. Others, please participate. What is the value of uy?
Q sin theta.
Q
Q
sin
sin
theta. And what is the value of ay?
Minus g.
Minus g.
Okay, so it is u sin theta into t plus half minus g into t square. I don't want a relation between y and t. I want a relationship between y and x. What should I do? Equation number 1, equation number 2 that you're doing in your class at 10th. क्या करते थे बच्चा? 1 और 2 है. क्या करूँ? t हटाना है.
Yes, कर देंगे.
X by u cross theta.
x से divide.
So
t
this
से divide.
ठीक है, तो t is equal to x upon u cos theta. So y is equal to u sin theta and value of t is x upon u cos theta.
x by cos u cos theta.
Okay, and minus sign of g half g. What is t square? The square of this term. X square upon
X upon
square.
x square upon u square cos square theta.
Proud of you. Here first term u and u will get cancelled. Tell me what is the equation of y? Last equation of y I'm
y
getting.
equal to x tan theta minus half into u
X
square.
tan theta minus g x square upon u square cos square theta.
Okay, now you are having a relationship between y and x. Yes or no? You have a relationship between y and x. Now always remember this thing. If you are having the equation of y and x like this, mx plus c, when y and x are relating to each other with the first power, it means x is having first power only, one power, then it will make a straight line. It will make a straight line. Now, if you are having the relationship between y and x, where x is having the second power, this will always make the trajectory as
Parabola.
Parabolic.
Is it fine?
Parabolic.
Whenever you are having one power dependence, it's my straight line. Whenever you are having second power dependent, it will be a parabola. So now who will tell me the trajectory will be the trajectory will
Parabola.
be parabola. So from we write that from above equation.
Ma'am, could you please shift your device towards right?
Okay. From this equation, we can conclude that trajectory is parabolic or parabola.
Ma'am, trajectory means its shape on
Trajectory
graph.
means its motion. Its motion. What is the kind of its motion? Is it traveling in a circular motion? Is it traveling in a straight line? Or is it traveling in a some triangular motion? What is its trajectory? How it is moving? Fine, dear. What is the meaning of trajectory? इसका मोशन कैसा है? सीधा चल रहा है, टेढ़ा हो रहा है,
And ma'am,
ऊपर
y is equal to mx plus c case में it will be a straight line, but y mx square or any other case में it will be parabolic.
not
It is
any
square.
other. Y proportional to x square के केस में it's a simple parabola. बेटा parabola बहुत से टाइप के parabola होते हैं ना. अभी तो मैथ्स में हमने ढंग
But
से
it has this x tan theta also added with it, तो वो भी नहीं.
it's a constant term ना. It's a constant term ना. बेटा जब x की वैल्यू आ रही है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं आप. हाँ बिल्कुल. अगर आपकी जो मैक्सिमम पावर है वो 2 है x की, तो वो पैराबोला है. नो मैटर कि सिंगल x है कि नहीं. ठीक है. अगर सिर्फ ऐसा आंसर आता तो व्हाट यू विल से, व्हाट द काइंड ऑफ ग्राफ विल लुक लाइक?
Straight line.
Straight line.
Now because I'm having the maximum power dependence of x is 2, now it will be a parabola. As simple as that. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, note it down everyone.
Now, what is the last word in the paragraph?
Trajectory is parabolic. Trajectory is parabolic. Done with it and let me know. And please draw this graph very neatly, because many of the questions are still hidden in this graph, figure only. टुडे आई फील सो बैड ना, मतलब लास्ट 2 years, मतलब 2000 ये जो लास्ट बैच गया वो भी उसमें मैंने ऑनलाइन पढ़ाया, और लास्ट 12th बैच भी चल रहा है, सब चल रहे हैं। मैं इतनी अक्षर क्लास देती हूँ एक साथ बच्चों के 90 बच्चों को, अगर मैं तीनों मर्ज कर लेती हूँ। मैं कभी जिंदगी से प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं की जो आज ये म्यूटिंग वाला किया। इट्स सो इंसल्टिंग आल्सो, लेकिन मैं छोड़ूंगी तो किसी को नहीं। अगर मुझे पता चल गया ना कि उसको किसने किया, जो मैं निकाल लूँ उसने किसी तरह से, तो उसमें छोड़ूंगी नहीं। तुम्हें जानते हो तुमने किससे पंगा ले लिया, देखते हैं कभी तो मिलोगे। Then we will see. Can we move further?
Yes, ma'am.
So first part of this topic is that we have discussed about it, what is the trajectory of this kind of motion. ठीक है? Now second part is that, yes बच्चा?
Ma'am, please wait for 2-3 minutes.
Sorry?
Ma'am, please wait for 2-3 minutes.
Okay. अच्छा, today we have quiz also. Who is going to present that quiz? Who will tell me? Who will just showing the quiz? Talat, I think also. Fast. I will make them presenter. जल्दी बताओ कौन है quiz attend वो take करने वाले? कौन है वो बच्चा? Please playing the quiz.
Ma'am, Gargi.
Okay. So should I make Gargi as presenter?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम किस
Gargi is
टॉपिक
not in the class. Sorry बच्चा.
किस टॉपिक पे क्विज है?
इस टॉपिक पे क्विज है। गार्गी क्लास में क्यों नहीं है? गार्गी इज देयर। गार्गी अभी तो क्लास में थी। इट इज कांट हो गई। सॉरी,
Ma'am, she has raised her hand.
या मुझे तो उसका नाम क्यों नहीं नजर आ रहा ये लिस्ट में? आप सबको लिस्ट नजर आ रही है गार्गी? मेरी लिस्ट में गार्गी का नाम ही नहीं आ रहा।
नाम ऊपर का
पर तो ठीक है, लेकिन नजर तो नहीं आ रहा। हाँ, आ गया। So I'm making her a presenter. Gargi beta, after 5 minutes we'll start the quiz, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the case. Now second point is we need to find out the velocity. We need to find out the velocity of the projectile at the topmost point. Velocity of projectile at maximum height. Where is the maximum height? The topmost point A, B. The point C is the maximum height or not?
Yes.
And I want to find out the velocity V max at the maximum height. Who will tell me how can I proceed with this? But how many? See, if I need to calculate velocity, सब कुछ के लिए क्या है हमारे पास? Equation of motion. अब सोचो।
मैम वो यूज कर सकते हैं ना, v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 है ऐसा।
बेटा लेकिन अगर वो यूज करोगे ना बच्चा, उसमें ऐसा आ जाएगा, मतलब उसमें मैक्सिमम हाइट आ जाएगा, लेकिन मैं मैक्सिमम हाइट निकाला नहीं है अभी उसका एक्सप्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज।
तो मैक्सिमम हाइट आ जाएगी ना, v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 है, तो वो k इक्वल हो जाएगी मैक्सिमम हाइट।
ठीक है, मतलब आप चाहते हैं कि हम इक्वेट कर ले, कोई और मेथड सही है, ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं है। क्या मेरे पास कोई और इक्वेशन नहीं है जो उससे शॉर्टकट में निकाल दे?
V is equal to u plus
u plus 80। अच्छा ठीक है। अब बेटा नाउ आई नो दैट v is not a single v, v is having vx also, vy also, है ना मेरे पास ये इक्वेशन ना बेटा। तो मैं कौन सी यूज करूं? पूरा v लेके चलूं या vx और vy लेके चलूं? बताओ कौन सा रख लें?
vy तो 0 है ना।
हाँ तो रख लेना बेटा, इधर वाला 0 जाएगा, uy और ay, और ये क्या हो जाएगा? t max। जैसे t max करूंगी मतलब मैक्सिमम हाइट, बेटा वैसे vy क्या हो जाएगा? कितना हो जाएगा vy की वैल्यू? जल्दी से बेटा मुझको
0।
टेल मी व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ uy? व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ u?
मैम u sin theta।
u sin theta। What is the value of ay?
minus g।
Minus g। And that I need to calculate t max। थर्ड इक्वेशन से भी आ जाएगा, कोई इशू नहीं है, बहुत आसान है। बट मैंने इससे निकाल दिया। आपके पास इट मींस you have variations from whatever method you want to find out, you can find out। I'll tell you what is the formula of t max. Time to move to enough maximum height। u sin theta by g Is it fine or not?
मैम इस क्वेश्चन में हम टी मैक्स निकाल रहे थे ना, तो आपने
हाँ जी, मिला। ओह, मैं वेलोसिटी निकाल दूँ। ओह, कुछ कोई बात नहीं, इसको रख लेते हैं, वेलोसिटी भी निकाल दें। इसको रख लेते हैं। ये टी मैक्स निकाला। टी मैक्स निकालने के बाद आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट द मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी आल्सो। वेलोसिटी द मैक्सिमम हाइट कितना होगा, आंसर बताना जरा मुझे।
u cos थीटा।
u cos theta. P maximum height is equal to u cos theta. Okay, T max भी है, velocity भी निकल गया। आप मुझे बताओ what is the time of flight? Velocity and time of projectile at maximum height दोनों हो जाएगा। What is time of flight? What is the meaning of time of flight?
मैम यहाँ just
Yes, ma'am.
मैम टोटल टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट।
So to come to reach here now, what is the time of flight? What is the time taken by body to reach from here to here? And from class 9th, we know that time of ascent and descent are equal. So time of maximum height, time of flight can be written as twice of time of maximum height. Can I say that?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the final answer? Time of flight.
2u sin theta.
2u sin theta upon
2u sin theta by g. Write down.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, can you click the photo of this graph and send it in the group?
Okay, no issue. I will click it. Maximum height attained. This is by next part. Maximum height attained. Which formula now you want to use? Maximum height attained.
V square minus U square upon 2.
Okay, V square minus U square is equal to AS. Yes or no? So now tell me what is the value of all these different value. What I want to calculate maximum height. This maximum height. What is this value of y? This, let's suppose I'm just giving the name as h max, the maximum height. Okay. So you want me to use v square minus u square equal to 2as. Yes or no, dear? Now just tell me the values. Tell me the values.
V is
V is 0. Sure.
U. Yes, ma'am.
U.
Ma'am, U sin theta.
U square sin square theta. No, it is square of it. Then
Ma'am, U. Okay, ma'am. 2 and ma'am, then A is G and then H will be the maximum.
minus G or G there. Minus G or G beta. Minus G, na? Because answer negative में आ जाएगा.
minus G.
Minus G. And this S we have given the name as H max. ये कितना बचा? उसको H max नाम दिया था.
मैम हमने इसमें भी अपना एक्स फैक्टर लिया है क्या?
तो इसमें हमने कौन सा लिया है? ये हमने बेटा y निकाला है ना. Y देखो कौन सा लिया है मैंने?
ओके मैम.
बेटा मुझे y कंपोनेंट निकालना ना बच्चा. I need to calculate y component.
मैम ने कल वो जीरो है तो वो हेल्प करेगा.
तो सब बेटा y वाला तो करेंगे. ठीक है. अब बताओ कितना आंसर आया फिर H max?
U square sin square theta upon 2G.
Perfect. It is clear that which formula we have used and why we have used and why the y component is used, because I need to calculate the y component. So y component achieve करने के लिए मुझे velocity तो y वाली चाहिए होगी ना बच्चा. क्या velocity x वाली help करेगी मुझे y निकालने में? बताओ.
नो मैम.
No. So last but not the least, range of projectile. Range of projectile. What's the meaning of range of projectile? What's the range?
Horizontal distance traveled by the projectile.
Yeah, proud of you. This is the range. This is the range. The horizontal distance traveled by this projectile. Now, who will tell me if I want to find out the range here? I want to find out the y component. Here, I need to calculate the
X component.
x component. So now, tell me which formula I should use. Use any of the three equations.
Horizontal velocity into time of flight.
Okay, it means I need to calculate x. X is equal to uxt plus half axt square or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What is x? What is
मैम
x?
आप लोग कितना बोल कर सकते हैं? Speed equals to distance upon time.
कौन सा?
Speed equals to distance upon time, मैम, क्योंकि मैम
बेटा वही निकल के आएगा. चेक तो कर. एक मिनट तो रुक. ये 0 हो गया बेटा. तो ये क्या निकल के आएगा? चेक कर. वही तो आएगा. मैं जानबूझ के लिखा है ये. ठीक है बेटा. ax is 0. Yes or no? So that but I'm left with range is equal to कितना आया? Speed into time. Yes or no, Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
मैंने प्रूव कर दिया कि ऐसा मैंने क्यों किया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे acceleration 0 है. I just want you to just learn this thing that we are only using equation of motion here. Only equation of motion, nothing more than that. उसमें अपने आप से whenever I'm finding a as 0, अपने आप से equation बन गया. Okay, now what is this time? This time t.
Time of flight.
Time of flight.
theta by-
Not time of maximum height ना बच्चा. ये यूज करूँ क्या? T max यूज करूँ?
I'm
No,
TF.
ma'am.
T use sin theta upon G.
Yeah, because if I'm using T max, I'm only calculating from distance from here to here, na? Time from here to here. So I will only be able to calculate the distance from here to here. But my aim is to calculate from here to here. It will be the time of entire flight, TF. Now, what is the value of ux? What is the value of ux?
U cos theta.
U cos theta.
And what is the value of TF?
2u sin theta upon G.
Upon G.
Now, can I just conclude something? 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to what?
Sin 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta. It will be u square only and sin 2 theta by g. It is your range. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, everyone? Note it down this entire stuff. Then within Gargi, within 2 minutes we'll just please start with the quiz and share that game pin in the chat as well.
Last step में कैसे किया बता दो.
बेटा u square तो या कोई दिक्कत है? u square 2 u है बच्चा. Now 2 sin theta cos theta from class 10th trigonometry, you know that, no beta? 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to what? Sin 2 theta.
Okay, ma'am.
होता है?
Sin 2 theta.
And by g as well. I'm just copying all the stuff. Rest.
Got
Fine.
it.
Okay, now who will tell me when the range will become maximum? At what angle the range is maximum?
Ma'am, 45.
45. Very good. The sine value is maximum at what? Sine 90. And it is beta what? 2 theta. So to make it 90, theta will be what?
45.
45. So write down a special case when theta is 45 degree, the range is maximum. Theta is 45 degree, the range is maximum. बेटा स्क्वाटल याद है पोकेमॉन में स्क्वाटल जो पानी जो वाटर अटैक करता था.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पता है ना बेटा वो अपना फेस कैसे रखता था जब उसको बेटा वाटर अटैक करना है सामने ऐसे तो अपना जो अपने ओपोनेंट के सामने ऐसे फेस को टिल्ट करता था.
I'm tilt करता था.
Tilt. It means to have the maximum range. दूर तक पानी फेंकना है, प्रोजेक्टाइल दूर तक करना है. तो अपने जो अपना फेस का जो अपने माउथ का एंगल है कितना होना चाहिए? At the angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. बेटा अगर ऐसे करेगा तो क्या होगा? पानी वहीं आएगा ना. When I imagine if I'm just मैं अगर अपने फेस को ऐसे रखूं 90 डिग्री, फिर तो मेरा वाटर का रेंज है कुछ बताना जरा. कोई रेंज ट्रैवल किया उसने?
No, ma'am.
No, because right now the water is only traveling in the vertical direction. Horizontal travel नहीं किया. ये बात समझ आई नहीं समझ आई? क्योंकि जब मैंने अपने फेस को I just kept it at the 90 degree angle, then the horizontal velocity is there. Just help me out. मैंने फेस को ऐसे रखा हुआ है. मैंने नहीं स्क्वाटल ने पानी को थ्रो किया. So what is the horizontal velocity in this case? Tell me.
0.
Is there any horizontal velocity?
No, ma'am.
No. If there is no horizontal velocity, then there will be no horizontal distance travel. As simple as that. Is it fine or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear or not? Picture clear? This part is
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Now, Gargi, please, Peter, play a quiz. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Others, better please open up your Kahoot. I hope Gargi, the quiz is going to Kahoot only.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, please open up your Kahoot. Gargi is sharing the game pin as well. What's a game pin? Okay, now everyone, please join this quiz. Let's see who will. The one who is trying to mute me again and again. देखो उसमें कितना दम है. दम है तो जीत के दिखाओ.
Mom, what's the game pin?
It's written, I think, na 4984023. Just check the screen. Gargi, this is the game pin only or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is. It is there on the screen. Just check the screen. 498. Yes,
Mom, in my screen is given loading the game pin.
It's 4984023. It's written there. 4984023. Yes or no? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
4984023. Start it. Wait. Let other also join. Join everyone. Only 14 students joined till now. Others, please be fast.
मैम किसी ने मेरे नाम से ज्वाइन कर लिया.
किसने? सिद्धार्थ, तुम्हारे नाम से किसने ज्वाइन कर लिया? ये मतलब
Yes,
पता है
ma'am.
तो ऐसे बच्चों को बेचारा क्या होगा? मतलब अब मैं कुछ बोलूंगी तो फिर कहेंगे हम डीमोटिवेटेड फील
Ma'am,
करते
there
हैं.
is one more Siddharth in the class.
अच्छा सिद्धार्थ, अब तो ऐसे मुझे गुस्सा दिला रहा है यार. कोई बात नहीं, तो सिद्धार्थ
मैम,
एस से
सिद्धांत है
जे से
वो.
ज्वाइन कर ले.
सिद्धांत है मैम, वो सिद्धार्थ नहीं है.
बेटा वो गलती से
में भी सिद्धार्थ है ना?
मैम उसकी तो स्पेलिंग ही अलग है मेरे नाम से.
अरे यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है सिद्धार्थ? तू एक डी अपना हटा लियो, तू जीतेगा तो मैं बता दूंगी, कोई इश्यू नहीं करता. वो जानता था कि तू जीतने वाला है ना, तो डबल डी डाल दिया. यही हुआ होगा ना सिद्धार्थ?
मैम मेरे रियल नेम में डबल डी आता है, वो इधर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गई माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स में.
ओके, तो बेटा ये भी मासूम है. अब कोई बात नहीं, आप सिद्धार्थ जे लिख लो, ठीक है? $29 only. Fast, others, please. Others, please, fast. We don't have time. गार्गी बेटा प्लीज स्टार्ट. जो नहीं है वो बाद में लेट ज्वाइन करेंगे. जल्दी से.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a reasoning assertion question. गार्गी ए क्रॉस बी कितने क्वेश्चन है बेटा? सारे ए क्रॉस बी के हैं क्या बच्चा?
मैम में गलत नहीं था इसका आंसर?
यस मैम ऑप्शन गलत है शायद।
मैंने चेक नहीं किया, मैं चेक कर लूंगी बाद में, कोई बात नहीं। कंटिन्यू दैट यूनिट, वो आपका क्विज। Congratulations to the winners. Who are the runners up? Vanya and so congratulations to the winners. Tomorrow also we have one quiz, so please be there in the class. It will actually
मैम
give
एक
you.
तो क्वेश्चन गलत मैम इसके
ठीक है, मैं चेक कर लूंगी आंसर दैट. तू जीत गया ना, मैं चेक कर लूंगी आंसर. ठीक है, ठीक. Congratulations to everyone. And if you just have this thing कि कोई क्वेश्चन गलत है ऊपर नीचे, तो फर्स्टली अच्छा गार्गी बचा, गार्गी फॉलो में बेटा कोई ना मुझे इसका पीडीएफ बना के दे देना. Then I will check the answers and I will share the question in the class, in your class WhatsApp group as well. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, वो तो
ठीक है, okay, चलो. Bye bye everyone. You can leave the class. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.